Hello everyone, my name is Fuadi Dia Ulhaq. You can call me Fuad. And in this video, I will share with you the fascinating history of networking and how it has evolved over time. Networking has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and share information across the world. Today, I will focus on four major milestones in the history of digital networking. These include the creation of the World Wide Web, the start of Facebook, the launch of Instagram, and the rise of TikTok. Each of these platforms has not only changed our life but also shaped modern communication in ways we could never have imagined. Let's begin with the first major milestone, the creation of the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, often abbreviated as WWW, was invented in 1989 by a computer scientist named Tim Berners-Lee. At the time, he was working at CERN, a nuclear organization located in Switzerland. Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web with the goal of simplifying the exchange of information among scientists worldwide. In 1990, he developed three key technologies that become the foundation of the modern Internet. These were HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In 1991, the World Wide Web was officially launched to the public. This invention paved the way for the development of the Internet as we know it now today. Through the World Wide Web, people around the globe could access information quickly, share data, and communicate without graphical barriers. The impact of this invention has been immense. The World Wide Web has transformed how we learn, work, and socialize. Without the World Wide Web, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, which I will discuss in the next part, would not exist. The creation of the World Wide Web marked the beginning of the digital revolution that continues to evolve to this day. Next, we move to the second milestone in the history of digital networking, the start of Facebook. The story of Facebook began in 2004 when it was founded by Mark Zuckerberg along with his college roommate Eduardo Severin, Andrew McCallum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Huggins. At first, Facebook was created as a social networking platform exclusive from Harvard University students. However, it quickly became popular. Within a few months, Facebook expanded to other Ivy League universities. By the end of 2004, the platform had over 1 million active users. In 2006, Facebook became available to anyone after the age of 30 with a valid email address, making a significant milestone in its growth. Facebook revolutionized the way people connect and communicate. It introduced features like the news feed, group, and the like button, making it a central hub for social interaction online. Users could share updates, photos, and videos, staying connected with friends and family worldwide. Over the years, Facebook has grown into more than just a social network. Today, it is used by businesses, communities, and even social movement, greatly influencing how we share information and build relationships in the digital era. The success of Facebook laid the foundation for the rise of other social media platforms, shaping the modern social networking landscape. Now, let's move on to the third milestone in the history of digital networking, the launch of Instagram. Instagram was launched on October 6, 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. Initially, Instagram was designed as a simple photo sharing app um, for iOS users. It gained massive popularity almost instantly, attracting 1 million users within its first 2 months. What made Instagram unique was its feature, such as a photo filter that allow users to enhance their picture with just a few taps. The platform focused on visual storytelling, making it perfect for sharing moments and creative content. In 2012, Instagram was acquired by Facebook for around $1 billion. This marked a major milestone from the platform. With Facebook support, Instagram grew even further, adding features like videos, stories, and IGTV, which expand in functionality and appeal. Instagram has had a huge impact on social media. It became a platform for self-expression, creativity, and connection. Influencers, businesses, and individuals use Instagram to reach audiences around the world, building communities based on shared interests. Today, Instagram continues to evolve, influencing how we share and consume visual content in the digital era. Now, let's talk about the fourth milestone in the history of digital networking, the beginning of TikTok. TikTok was launched in September 2016 by a Chinese company called ByteDance. In China, the app was first introduced under the name Douyin. Within a year, it expanded to international market as TikTok. In 2018, ByteDance acquired another popular app called Musical.ly and merged in with TikTok. This decision helped TikTok gain a massive user base, especially among younger audience, and quickly become one of the most downloaded apps worldwide. What makes TikTok unique it is short-form video format. The app provides easy-to-use editing tools and an algorithm that tailor content the as user preference. TikTok introduced trends like lip sync, dance challenge, and comedy skit, creating a sense of creativity and community. TikTok's impact on digital culture is undeniable. It has become a platform for creators to gain recognition, for business to make their product, and for social movement to amplify, their voice. Today, TikTok continues to shape how people connect, communicate, and share their creativity in the digital age. That brings us to the end of our journey through the history of networking. Today we explore four major milestones: the creation of the World Wide Web, the start of Facebook, the launch of Instagram, and the rise of TikTok. Each of these milestones has played a critical role in shaping how we connect, communicate, and share information in the digital era. From the invention of the World Wide Web that laid the foundation for global connectivity, the to the platform like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok that revolutionized social media. These innovations have transformed our life in ways we would never have imagined before. This might be my last video presentation for this class with our lecturer, Mrs. Afrianti. because I have finished my mid exam. I would like to thank her for all the knowledge and guidance she has given me. I hope you found this presentation informative. Thank you very much for watching and taking the time to learn about the history of networking. If you have any question or comment, feel free to share them. Thank you again and see you in the next presentation. Goodbye.